Are you concerned about preparing for life's final chapter? End-of-life planning is crucial not only for peace of mind, but also for ensuring your wishes are respected. It's a profound way to take control, even when life feels uncertain. Seniors often worry about burdening their families or uncomfortable talks, yet addressing these topics can bring comfort. In this video, we'll explore health directives, starting crucial conversations, and empowering yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Remember, addressing your end-of-life care is a gesture of love for yourself and those you cherish. End-of-life planning revolves around understanding your healthcare options and documenting your wishes. Imagine your body as a ship navigating the seas. Health directives are your compass and anchor. They guide you through the medical decisions that may arise during your journey. Advanced medical directives, living wills, and durable powers of attorney are tools that provide clarity and assurance. They ensure your healthcare aligns with your values, offering peace even in uncertain waters. Knowing the purpose and function of these documents is essential for protecting your autonomy and rights. Recognizing the signs that it's time to discuss end-of-life plans can be empowering. Changes in health, new diagnoses, or hospitalizations often prompt these conversations. Like the gentle tide indicating a change in weather, these signs tell us it's time to prepare. Watch for increasing dependence on others, difficulty in daily activities, or significant health changes. These are signals to engage in this important planning process. Remember, having these discussions before a crisis arises allows for calm and thoughtful decision-making, ensuring your wishes are respected. Nutrition plays a critical role in supporting your health as you navigate end-of-life planning. Focus on meals that energize and nourish without overwhelming. Think of ingredients like omega-3 rich fish, vibrant leafy greens, and heartwarming soups. These foods provide essential nutrients, supporting both physical and emotional well-being. Consider meal timing and portion sizes, which can significantly affect your comfort and vitality. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help maintain your strength and quality of life, making it easier to face the challenges of end-of-life discussions. Gentle and safe movement is vital for maintaining strength and flexibility during end-of-life planning. Activities such as Tai Chi, water aerobics, or even simple stretches can be incredibly beneficial. Imagine your body as a well-tuned instrument. Regular, gentle exercise helps keep it in harmony. Choose movements that suit your abilities and don't hesitate to adjust if needed. Even short, consistent moments of activity can improve mood and mobility, helping you feel more in control of your health journey. Regular medical monitoring is paramount for loved ones and healthcare providers during end-of-life planning. Imagine your healthcare as a vigilant lighthouse guiding your ship safely to harbor. Routine checkups can detect health changes early, provide clarity, and alleviate anxieties. Collaborating with professionals, such as geriatricians or palliative care teams, ensures comprehensive care tailored to your needs. These experts can help you navigate your options, offering advice and support. Always seek immediate attention for sudden health changes, ensuring timely and effective responses. End-of-life planning significantly impacts mental health and social well-being. It's essential to acknowledge the emotional weight of these decisions. Maintaining connections with family and friends can provide comfort and reduce feelings of isolation. Engage in uplifting social activities or join support groups to share experiences with peers. Embrace strategies for mindfulness and stress reduction, helping to keep a positive outlook. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and leaning on your community can make these difficult discussions more manageable and less daunting. As we conclude, remember that end-of-life planning is an empowering journey. You've learned the importance of health directives, nutritional decisions, physical activity, regular medical care, and mental well-being. Now it's time to take actionable steps. Start those conversations with loved ones, document your wishes, and maintain your health and connections. Approach your planning with confidence and clarity, knowing you have the tools to ensure your values and desires are honored. Embrace the peace of mind that comes with thoughtful preparation, leaving a meaningful legacy for generations to come.